Hey, I'm Robbie Melvin, Southern Living. Welcome to BBQ&A 101. We're gonna be talking about grilling steak. Simple, hot grill, easy seasoning, things you're gonna wanna make over and over in your backyard. I'm gonna brush this with a little olive oil, both sides thoroughly. I've got some good coarse kosher salt, forms a really beautiful crust. And steak in particular loves salt. It can really take a lot of it. Same with black pepper, the meat really loves it. Season them on both sides thoroughly. And you can even season your steaks up to a whole day ahead of time. It's in between 400 and 450. That's the sound you want to hear, that sizzle. Now, I get this question a lot about what is the best steaks for grilling? Well, of course, it's whatever your favorite is, but I prefer a ribeye. It's got a perfect amount of fat in it. But for feeding a crowd, this flat iron is perfect. We're gonna go 8 to 10 minutes and just give it a nice turn. Oh, you can see you've got the beautiful caramelization. We're gonna let that cook about another 6 to 7, possibly 8 minutes for a nice mid-rare medium. If you like your steaks more rare, cook it about maybe 5 minutes on each side. We're gonna let this rest about 5 or 10 minutes. Now, I get the question a lot, why is it important to rest a steak? You can see here these juices are kind of running around. What you want them to do is to slow down, kind of soak back into the meat. So when you slice it open, there is just maximum moisture, maximum flavor is locked inside there. I'm making a charred tomato relish to go with my flat iron steak. This has got nice herbs in it. We've got some good seasonings. We're gonna hit it with a little more salt and pepper. And I've charred these tomatoes ahead of time, also on my grill to give them more depth of flavor, good color. We're kind of spiked it with a little bit of vinegar, acidity with a nice fattiness of the meat. It goes perfectly together. Now we're gonna take some of our tomato relish. So we're just kind of gonna go right over the top there. Maybe finish with a nice pinch of salt. The perfect, simple, big flavor grilled steak. Check us out on BBQ&A. Like us, comment, share. If you're watching on YouTube, please ding that bell. It's too good not to try.